Today I'm doing the thing that I'm due like for 1 week right now. I've been shooting with the Pentax 17 last week. During the snowstorm, had some black and white film photos. So this magic roll. Let's go. So yeah. I'm developing the film to digitalize it for me to get it and maybe tweak it a little bit and post it. I ordered the TIFF instead of the JPEG just for me to have a little bit more of information in it. Let's see how it come out and see the difference with the normal digital camera.